Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BVTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis quite a few times in the recent past, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And today the bears took another bite out of it, although the bulls did hold strong in a very important spot, so I'll get to that in a little bit. But first thing first, before anything else, going to just go ahead and do some house cleaning here and to get that line out of there. Sure, it still pertains, but it's not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion by having lines all over the place. So just want to try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. So first update, though, that does need to be made comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as a resistance. So 0037, for those of you that have watched the past videos, hopefully remember me talking about that as that area of support has been broken. And now that it's been broken, according to the rule, this should act as a level of resistance. And it's actually already played out once. If you look close enough right here, you can see the price broke below it. And then on that next candle, the bulls tried to get up above it and were rejected by it. So 0037 confirmed as that shorter term area of resistance in the event the price can fight through there. Next overall area of resistance, more so from a trend perspective, is going to be that purple line there, which is the 50 period simple moving average. Now, earlier in the video, I referred to the bulls acting strong at an area where you would really want to see them act strong. And that area is down here at 003, which is that green line. So it goes to show the power of charts. Again, I promise I have not moved that green line. If you don't believe me, that's fine. I'm not offended. You can just go back in the archives and look at the last video I did. But 003 was an area of support back here, and so you'd want to see it act as support again. And as already pointed out, the bears tried on multiple times to push down through there, but the bulls did a good job of holding strong. And going forward, you certainly want to see 003. You want to see this history continue to repeat itself and not allow the bears to push down through there, because in the event the bears are able to push down through there, I'm pretty sure that puts the chart at lows that it hasn't seen, for a very, very long time. So, I mean, literally, if that level cannot hold, then that would put, the lows at the price at lows that haven't been seen since late August. So, 003, definitely that important level. In the event 003 cannot hold, the next key overall area of support down here at 0026. So, 003, 0026, next key areas of support. So, price was able to maintain the current support. Will that remain the case going forward? Only time will tell. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.